how to log out of your TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your TikTok account quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, it will take you to the profile section. Now, from here, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now, here, from the pop up menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And now, here, once you are inside the Settings and Privacy, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as Logout. So, simply tap on it. And here, a pop-up menu will appear. Simply tap on Logout and here you will be logged out of your TikTok account. And that's it. That's how you can log out of your TikTok account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.